Game is so much better now. Another update with zombie extraction. Been 2 or 3 weeks since the last one. Let's see what it looks like now. I have it open in studio with changes, so go ahead and playtest. Put on the sound. Okay, that should be okay. Let's do cheat. So did the direction a lot. It's only a tower now as the map. There's gonna be a start menu now. The gameplay is similar to got some black powder, I think I mentioned that. And then same with the loading too. So how it works now is there's going to be I added some storytelling here with the pop text, the typewriter noise too. I need to fix this, it's blending with the background a little bit, not contrasting as well. So there's cosmetics here, but it doesn't work right now. But it's there. And then boons. So how this works is you get to pick like different buffs to carry with you to the next run. And then backgrounds too. You can choose to be, well, it's 2 more. You can choose to be whatever you want. There's a 5 right here. So you go choose to be medic or shooter. So there's different types of backgrounds. These are classes, the name for classes. So you can be default, which you spawn in as a survivor or a civilian, I mean. And then you can also be a nurse, which is a healer type. Candyman versus ability type. There's gonna be different kinds of backgrounds for each type. That's why there's types, and then there's also like specific names. Security guard, responds with a pistol. Boxer, just fist. Handyman, got a hammer. Nurse, you already know what they do. Alright. Go ahead. Let's play. You can look around the map. Same way you can in Guts, you just like spectate kind of. Until it's ready to start. I need to add a little countdown. It's kind of dumb. Yeah. Let's make some more space. What was that? Okay. Yeah, that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Alright, spawn in, you're in a city, right? You're frozen for a little bit, I need to fix that too, but it's gonna block off this background, or this back area, so you don't walk off the map. Basically this is a city, you just go up that tower. I'm gonna make a cutscene to explain what the goal of the game is, so that players aren't lost. You basically gotta go up here. You should be overrun with zombies, but I think players mobile have a harder time, so right now it's like not balanced yet. Just whatever zombie spawns gets you. I'm sure why you can see this. Oh. What the hell? Okay. It's weird. Smack people with this. I removed that, but I guess I like when the zombies smack you. There's this yellow circle. Like, what is that? It's just be gone. Plus the floating blood too. Oh my god, why is it like this? Okay, so you keep going. Oh, there's a random block here too, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, agents keep regressing. Code. Supposed to be an entrance, but I guess just can't throw through it. Great. Okay, can I go this way? Must be a staircase, and you can go inside. Okay, you're inside now. What the hell? Close door. They can go through, right? When they can't. Let's see. Oh no, this is transparent. They can go through the doors. Oh no, they can't. What? This is so weird. Alright. Wait. Let's get to the single story. I don't know why. This is weird. Attacking. Oh, they're attacking furniture. For some reason instead of me. What am I scavenging for? I don't have any freaking ammo. Close. Oh my goodness, who designed that? Okay. So I can see that I can just walk outside. And then they're supposed to break. It's supposed to be physical, fightable. But there's a freaking walk to the door. Oh my god, it's horrendous. I can't even hit me. They can't even hurt me. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Yeah, so the avatar, it's gonna be this default one for now. I add more to the immersion. That fucking face is creepy. Oh my god. I don't know. Okay. It's so weird. Okay, I moved and then all of a sudden people die. And I'm dead. You can see it's what it looks like, the end of the run receipt. And then just... yeah. You have to press play in order to queue up for the next round. You don't automatically go to the next one. You can just... okay. It's basically actually make the game look better. And improve the feedback on the picking up the loot, because right now it just feels like nothing's happening. Same with the piles on the ground after the zombies die, plus the boxes. Like here. It's right here. That. And plus the doors. I don't know why they're like this now. I thought I fixed that. It's okay. The floating parts too. Just AI agent stuff. To regenerate they you need to give them models so that they can place on the floor. It's better to have models from the place and organize. And also create floor plans too for maps. Right now the coach is regressing. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Whenever thought I sync it up with Rojo, or sync it up with my code with Rojo, but it's like it's not working. So I need to figure out how to fix that, because I got rid of all these cubicles, or at least I thought I did when I told Claude or Codex to get rid of it. But then it still appears. So it's like the procedurally generated world, or the script, there's like something wrong with it, or I just need to resync manually. I don't know how to do that. I need to figure that out. They're supposed to be. So you spawn at the end of the road. That's another bug. I gotta run receive, even though. Okay. Alright. Alright. Oh god. Alright. But I hope you can see the vision. So, spawn at the end of the road. You get a cutscene saying, get to the roof, and then it pans the roof. Here, let me just view the camera real quick. Oh man, freaking slow. Okay, hold shift, you're faster, nice. Okay. Oh. What? No way. Let me see if I spawned. No, I don't. It keeps pressing my camera every time the round starts. Okay. So you get up here. What's going on? Oh my god. Okay. Alright. So get up here. Alright, cool. What? They just covered the roof with a fucking skyscraper? Bullshit. What is this? Oh my goodness. What are these floating shits here? Okay. Yeah, it's just horrendous looking. It's like nothing changed. I swear, I spent 3 weeks of AI agents, and the game looks exactly the same. Well, not exactly the same, but it's hardly exactly the same, just the map around it looks different. That's the only thing. It's so bad. I don't know how to fix this. If I just really get rid of this tower, it's kind of shitty. And then just like make a new one, I think you should just do that. Start new, because that's the only way to get rid of this. I just need to have a whole new one. I wanted the city look. This looks way too crowded. The buildings are all bunched up like sardines. What the fuck? Let me get a random fucking one place from the marketplace. Oh yeah, so my workflow now is have currently I only have Claude and Codex and Visual Studio Code. And then you're just doing a bunch of stuff here. Codex and Claude Code. What I'm gonna do now is go to move those to anti-gravity so that I have access to free trial rate limit for anti-gravity. So I can have 3 AI agents do work on this. And then yeah, we'll get more done. Let's see what else. Yeah, because before I would have the actual apps, but then the codex app is keeps saying not responding. I don't know if it's like from a machine or like, so I just deleted it. So now they're both, I use the extensions in Visual Studio Code, and then yeah, it's just much better here. It's faster. Yeah, there's like less problems with it. Plus, I like simplifying my work flow and the other apps I use. So yeah, I just tell them to push it to GitHub so it syncs there too, as a backup for all the files in case my laptop just blows up or something. And then yep. I use ChatGPT to look at my Google Drive and also edits and makes Google Docs, but I only have 4 right now. There's asset library for all the animations, sound effects, decals like the face of the zombies, and then there's like something else I forgot. And then there's also PRD, so the game file, the game design, game direction file, and then the to-do list, so the tasks to hand off to the AI agents. The reason why I do this is because once you hit the rate limit on the AI agents, you can't really do anything right until you pay more or wait. So I just consult with ChatGPT and then continue talking since like I don't think I've ever hit the limit for just chatting. And then yeah, you just talk with it, it'll update all those Google Docs for you, and then basically just tell in like a 1 sentence prompt, like hey, read the Google Docs, do these tasks, and then if it's a fresh AI agent, just say get onboarded, look at these Google Docs, and also look at the local markdown files in the workspace. Yeah. But yeah, those are the main issues I have right now. It's just the code regressing. I thought it was going to be a sync issue. I'll look into that. But I think I just have to like just redo it. I don't know what's going on in my... The game keeps regenerating and it keeps showing... Wait, let me... One more thing. Yeah, so you mentioned that it's... So the old entrance used to be over here. But they made the entrance over here. And then, so they need to just either move the entire map this way, or make the tower face this way. They haven't done either, so they just built the whole entrance for no reason into the wall. So that's why it's just messing up. And then, let's see. Yeah, there's a bunch of props here. That are like what in the world? Why is there like books outside? What is this? There's a bus. It's cool, but like, dude, like it's just so. First snap. I told it to just make a box, put like a PNG of like a city outlining the borders, so you don't see like the horizon, like the sky, like it's so like out of place. And I also add invisible barriers, but you can literally walk anywhere you want. It's dumb. So I think I should just need to build an environment myself, or have better prompting. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I just keep restarting over and over again in the same camera spot. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I'll end it here. I'll be back in like a week. Just need to fix these issues on hand, note them down, and then yeah, hopefully they'll be done. Okay. Let's do reverse work. This doesn't even work either. My goodness. It's not even a shop. I don't even... Settings don't work, crystal don't work, cosmetics don't work. Backgrounds work. Doors don't save between runs. Okay. There's a lot to do. Alright. Bye bye.